Question 11, what function equation is represented by the graph? Now, you're not going to be given this info when you're taking your test, but hopefully you see this and you say, oh, it's a line. When you think of a line, you need to think of your slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Now, this does ask me for a function, so I need to write it in function notation. So we need to use f of x. Now, when we're writing our function for this linear equation, we need to find two things. We need to find the slope and we need to find the y-intercept, the b. I start with the y-intercept. So I look at my function and I look to see where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses at -2. That is my b. Then I pick another point on the graph and I find my slope. So from those 2 points, I went up 2 and I went over 1, 2, 3. So my slope in this case, oh, that didn't save, 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 3 would be 2/3. So when I substitute all of that in, I'd have f of x equals 2/3 x plus, or in this case it would be minus 2, since I have my y-intercept is negative. Remember, if you have a fraction as your slope, you have to use that fraction button in the OHS to make sure that inputs correctly when you're typing in your answer.